I don't think this side is gonna be flat. Right there, I might spray it some more. But the rest of it, you could tell it's melted. Y'all see my skin, or am I tripping? Because ain't no Philly on this. Oh, okay. I usually use scissors, but I don't got none, so we just gonna use this. Y'all, look at the thought process. You can see me realizing that I was supposed to cut my ears out. Right here. Oh, I need to cut behind my ears. Oh, my God. Girl, duh. Oh, I was supposed to do that before. Yeah, I was supposed to cut my ears out before. I forgot. So that's why the sides wasn't laying down, y'all, because I forgot to cut the ears out. See, we learning together. So anyways, cut behind your ear. And then pull it out. Okay. Hold on now. There we go. Okay, so now we can add a little bit more spray right here. Because y'all, I forgot to do that. I don't know what I'm doing. Now it's laying flatter. I was wondering why it wasn't laying flat, y'all. It's because I didn't cut my ears out. So cut your ears out. Don't be like me. I was wondering. I don't got no scissors. I don't know what I did with them. But make sure it's not sticky once it's all dry. I cannot believe I left my ears in. We're going to cut right up the middle, okay? Don't cut your forehead. Yeah, I really did not need to take to take it down this far. I really don't think so. So I'm going to take it up just a little bit. Just a little. Yeah, I'm not going to have no forehead. I just be trying to make sure it's down. I'm going to go up a little bit more. Like right there. Yeah, that's good. For me personally. So then where I just pulled it up at, I'm going to cut. Okay, and then you just gonna go around. Y'all, I didn't know if this was gonna be too low for where my hairline is on my wig, so I was trying to pull it up. But when I tell y'all, I got this bitch melt. You see what I'm saying? That hoe melted. That hoe melted. It ain't coming up. Boom. Next, we're just gonna go on with this and just put it on the edges. Don't put too much, y'all. Literally, just get a little bit and do this and lay it down. That's just gonna get all them flyaways, all them edges laid down flat, okay? You're not gonna see all them little edges. Break that hoe back out. Break that hoe back out. Move that shit down. Move it down. This is the powder that I got right here. I want to try that other powder that everybody be using from the hair store, but I ain't got there yet. So we just gonna... Y'all see that HD disappear? It's wet. Oh, shit. Oh. Yeah, that grabbed right there. It'll be alright. This side a little choppy, but my hair go over here anyway, so I'm not worried about it, okay? I don't even know what the back of my head look like, but I just tie that. Tuck it under. Ah! Make sure your lace is clean. Mine clean as it's gonna get. And add that powder to your lace too. Don't just do the cap. So I'm just lining it up, making sure that's where I want it before I glue it. But that line look good to me, so fuck it. So I try to put the glue like before the lace, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna wipe it down like onto the lace, if that makes sense. It's coming out kind of slow, but yeah. And then I use this. And then if you got a metal rat tail, try to like use that, but if not, you can use this. I don't know. But that metal rat tail is the best thing. Then you just go down, you see what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna just swipe that hoe downward. Y'all see how that side's still white? The more glue you use, the longer, obviously, it's gonna take. Because this side already dry. I went thicker on this side, so it's taking longer. I'm gonna have to do a part 2. Y'all come back and see how I style this bitch and finish it, okay? Because we not even close to being done. So I got this side laid down. I just did 1 layer of glue, y'all.